With so many social sharing networks available to students, it's often challenging to find the one that's truly and completely educational for integrating in the digital classroom. Well, this is where the app called Lettrs becomes useful. Lettrs is available in Google Play, on Amazon, as well as in the Apple Store. The Lettrs app promotes communication in a creative, fun, and social way, and I find it to be the perfect app for a 2-in-1 device. There's so many features that make this app awesome for all learners of all ages, and it is simple enough for even the very young. So, just as the name implies, the Lettrs app is about creating and sending letters. The first step in creating a letter is to choose a theme and add a photo if you wish. You can also show your location, but that is optional, and this all can be done easily on either a tablet or a laptop. When working on a tablet, you can use the text-to-speech option to speak in your letter instead of typing it. This is a great feature and really aids in helping younger students who may not be able to write on their own. I'm going to click on the microphone. Today is Saturday, January 31st, and it is only 12 degrees outside here in Wisconsin. We are expecting about 5 inches of snow overnight. I'm a little depressed. I'm really anxious for spring. Now, another awesome feature of the Lettrs app is the ability to actually hand sign your name at the end of your letter using the touch screen on the tablet. I could also see this feature being useful if a student wanted to draw an illustration to accompany their letter. I'm going to click right here on the pencil, sign my name, and now you can see my script is included in my letter. Each time you start a letter, the Lettrs app will keep track of how many days or hours or minutes you've actually spent on the letter with this little built-in clock. Now, the reason for this is that, in the words of the developers, a letter is a thoughtful communication of the written word. And to create a letter, one that impacts the lives of others, one should write a letter with sufficient thought and feeling, and yes, with time. When you're ready to send your letter, you can make it an open letter for everyone to see, or a private letter, or a postal letter. You also, for a fee, can have the letter developers actually send a printed copy of your letter for you. And there's an option to choose to have your letter sent at a future date and time. There's an option for you to print a copy, of course, of your letter if you just want to do that and send it through snail mail. If you receive a letter, you're able to reply back to the person who sent you the letter, and you can also comment on other people's letters and let somebody know what you thought of their letter. This is how the Lettrs app becomes a very social platform. I highly recommend having your students experience the Lettrs app. It'll promote and inspire the art of letter writing and effective social communication. And this app would make a great use of your 2-in-1 device with the use of the camera, the microphone, the keyboard, and the touchscreen.